What's up, guys? Hope you guys had an amazing day. Really spectacular start to the week. We killed it, actually. So I hope you guys tuned in to the stream, and we shared some more trades afterward on the Discord. Did really well today. So in today's video, we're going to talk about what the next steps are for the market. Obviously, today we had a very big red day. But now I'm going to go ahead and give my explanation of what I think is going to end up happening next. All right, so without further ado, let's get started with the video. And of course, before we get started, make sure to like, comment, subscribe on the video, hit the subscribe button, do all that good stuff. All right, so let's get started. All right, so number one, I just want to start off with the dollar. Obviously, this is a very strong candle on the dollar. With the dollar rising like this, I think we should have some more upside potential tomorrow as well. I would be very surprised if the dollar does not have another green day tomorrow, or at least some more upside room. So that's why it's really, I really wanted to go long. I want to start scaling into longs, into XOP. But because the dollar still looks like it has more room to the upside, I'm going to wait until tomorrow. But basically, the dollar, when it goes up, the stock market falls. So basically, the fact that there's more room, in my opinion, on the dollar to go up, I think that the SPY should also fall down. The other thing I wanted to look at was the bonds. So the bonds, we know, have a pretty correlated, they're correlated with the stock market. So if the bonds are going up, then the stock market is also going up. And currently what we see out of the bonds is this is not the most bullish setup, right? Of course, we know that there's resistance here at 131 and 130.3 basically on the bonds. So, but right now, immediately, this is not a bullish candle. This is not a bullish setup. We need to see eventually, basically, we essentially need to see 128 hold. And currently, it looks like it could end up breaking. We don't like these wicks that we have here to the upside. What we want to see is we want to see a close above these levels of resistance, and multiple wicks here is not good, especially given this this candle right here at the top of a move is not generally a very good candle, especially close to resistance. So we're gonna have to see how this responds. But yeah, there's that for the bonds. Not looking extremely strong. So now, of course, all eyes on the SPY. Today we basically came back and retested this lower level here on the SPY. Essentially, to remain above this, the lower trend line of the rising wedge, the SPY needs to hold above 399.30, basically above 399 to maintain above this level for tomorrow. All right, so 399 is going to be a very important level. If we end up showing a lot of weakness below 399, then we can easily see 397 and then 395 and 393, of course. So yeah, 399 is going to be a very important level for tomorrow. The dollar looks weak. The dollar looks very strong. The bonds look weak. And of course, obviously, the stock market is also at this lower level here. So we basically just have to see what's going to end up happening afterward. I also very clearly explained going long here. Friday was very risky because you're basically going long here at resistance, hoping that the upward potential continues, right? So I was saying that the easiest longing opportunity would be longing as we break above 410. Or if we longed over here and then basically like over here to go long is just very risky. So that's why we didn't. And and it's a pretty cool that we're still holding on to the puts. Everything's still working out. But what we really want to see is a complete breakdown. And especially once we break below 392, things are going to go really wild. But for now, yeah, the dollar I still think has some more room to the upside. But the other thing I want to take a look at was XOP. So XOP is falling very dramatically, right? So it's down almost 5% today. I wanted to take a stab at longs at around 140.60, 140 like 50. But because I think that the market should fall a bit lower tomorrow, what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to buy into XOP probably tomorrow at the open. But I know for a fact, like, this is one of these setups that can easily just pop up to 142, 143 tomorrow in the pre-market. And then we just won't look at we just won't look at it again. So yeah, but what I'm saying is basically XOP moving up can have a positive effect on the SPY and the overall market. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But yeah, overall, I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. There's not much else to really look at in terms of the market and everything like that. Of course, we can take a look at to NASDAQ. Basically, the other reason why I wasn't as bullish on the market, remember, was the SPY was comfortably trading above November 15th levels, right? But the NASDAQ clearly was not, nor was the IWM. So to continue the strength, I didn't think the SPY had enough to help pull the NASDAQ and the IWM up. And that was one of the reasons why we went short initially on the SPY, and it's working out pretty well. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Thank you.